People are grabbing the chance out there. Here I am in Budapest. So yeah, there's always a lot of building work going on in Budapest right now because the city is really developing. So you can see over there the guys are completely renovating that strange looking building. Here's a replica of an Ai Weiwei sculpture that I made with a coat hanger. My wife hates it, but it's staying on the wall here. And these are the world's biggest curtains, possibly. Felt like it when we made them. And there's my painting that I did recently and some of my books. And here is our wonderful gallery. So you sleep on there in true Budapest style. Watching people grow is beautiful. Helping them grow, however, is even better. If you get an opportunity to do that in your work, you're really, really in a position to help people in the world. How many HR directors do you know that paint in their offices? Not many, right? But imagine the possibilities if they did. Creativity is really something that could explode the HR profession and spread right across an organisation with the help of HR. But to achieve that, we've got to get creative as HR people. So try something different this week, something wacky, because it's delightful to see an outsider make a difference. This week, the Supreme Court in the UK has decided that employment tribunal fees are unlawful as a barrier to justice, which, yeah, I always agreed with throughout the recession when I was working for ACAS, when they introduced the fees soon after the recession. It was a big change in it, and the amount of claims plummeted overnight that people made. So that's big news this week in the HR world.